Before buying a tool set, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, Cartman 39-piece tool set. The Cartman 39-piece household tool set caught my attention right away, especially with its vibrant orange color. At just $20.69, it's priced really well for a complete assortment of tools. If you want a reliable set for basic home repairs and DIY projects, this is worth a serious look. This set includes everything from a hammer and pliers to screwdrivers and a tape measure. It's perfect for those everyday tasks that pop up around the house. The tools are made from heat-treated carbon steel, which means they're designed to last and resist corrosion. Plus, the included storage case makes it super easy to keep everything organized. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having a well-organized tool set means you can grab what you need quickly, reducing the stress when a home project arises. Now, some people complained about the plastic case not being sturdy enough. Here's the thing though. While it's true that the case could be more durable, it's lightweight and portable, which is a big plus if you need to take it around the house or to a friend's place. It's a trade-off that many will find acceptable. This is perfect for you if you're just starting your DIY journey or need a basic toolkit for occasional use. Skip this one if you're looking for professional-grade tools, but for the price, it offers solid value. Now, if the limited number of pieces in the Cartman set bother you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Amazon Basics 142-piece toolkit. Next up is the Amazon Basics 142-piece household toolkit. At $30.21, it seems like a solid deal for a comprehensive set. If you want a broad range of tools for various tasks, this is definitely worth a look. This kit includes all the essentials you'll need for home maintenance, like a hammer, level, and auto-lock tape measure. The durability is key here. It features corrosion-resistant plating that ensures these tools will last through many projects. Here's why this matters for you. Having durable tools not only saves money in the long run, but also means you can tackle those tougher jobs without worrying about wear and tear. However, some users mentioned that the case isn't as protective as they expected. I'll be real with you. While it does keep things organized, if you drop it, some tools might shift around. But honestly, for everyday use, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile kit that covers a wide range of projects. Skip this one if you need tools for heavy-duty jobs, but it's a great option for most household repairs. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for your DIY needs. Product number 3, King Tool 276-piece tool set. Now we have the King Tool 276-piece tool set, which is priced at $94.96. It's definitely on the higher end, but if you're serious about DIY projects, this is worth considering. If you want a complete toolkit that includes power tools, this is the one to check out. What sets this kit apart is the 12-volt cordless drill that comes with it. It has a 2-speed control that reaches a maximum speed of 1,500 RPM, which means you can efficiently drill through different materials. This is super important if you plan to tackle furniture repairs or even some renovations. Plus, with 276 pieces, you've got the tools you need for almost any task, from simple repairs to complex DIY projects. However, some reviews noted that the drill can feel a bit heavy after extended use. Here's the thing though, while it might be heavier than some lower-end models, the power and reliability make it worth it for anyone serious about DIY. This is perfect for you if you're looking to upgrade your toolkit with both hand and power tools. Skip this if you only need basic tools, but you won't find a better all-in-one solution at this price. Now, if the weight of the King Tool drill doesn't suit you, the next product might just be the lightweight option you're looking for. Product number 4, LixoView 132-piece tool set. Let's talk about the LixoView 132-piece tool set, priced at $47.46. This kit really caught my eye, as it's designed with women in mind, making it user-friendly and lightweight. If you want a tool set that's easy to handle and covers all the basics, this is a solid choice. The 8-volt cordless drill is particularly impressive, featuring an LED light for visibility and a lightweight design at just 1.65 pounds.
This makes it super easy to use for quick projects around the house. The inclusion of a 10-piece drill bit set means you're prepared for various materials, so you're not left hanging when a job comes up. Here's why this matters for you. Accessibility and ease of use can make your DIY projects feel much less daunting. However, some users pointed out that the battery life isn't as long as they'd hoped. But honestly, for basic home tasks, the charging time is pretty reasonable, and you'll have it ready to go when you need it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a lightweight, manageable tool set for home projects. Skip this if you need a heavy-duty drill, but it's great for everyday use. Finally, if you're looking for even more comprehensive coverage, the last product on our list has you covered.
Product number 5, King Tool 325-piece toolkit. Lastly, we have the King Tool 325-piece home repair toolkit for $79.99. This might be the most comprehensive set we've looked at, and it really stands out for its variety. If you want an all-in-one solution for home and auto repairs, this is definitely worth considering. This kit includes a massive assortment of tools, from professional-grade wrenches to precision screwdrivers. The toolbox features a drawer that allows for better organization, which is crucial when you have so many tools. Having a dedicated space for everything will save you time and frustration when you're in the middle of a project. Here's why this matters for you. A well-organized kit not only streamlines your workflow, but also makes it easier to find the right tool quickly. One downside some users mentioned is the size of the kit. It's bulky and might not fit well in smaller spaces. But if you have the room, the amount of tools you get for the price is pretty fantastic. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or need a comprehensive toolkit for various tasks. Skip this if you have limited space, but the value for money is hard to beat here.
In summary, we've covered some fantastic tool sets today. The Cartman 39-piece is great for basic needs, while the Amazon Basics offers versatility. The King tool sets provide more power and options, with the 276-piece being lightweight and user-friendly, and the 325-piece being a full powerhouse. Each has its strengths, so think about what you need most in your DIY journey.